Okay, this video is about the product rule. We use the product rule when we have one function, a function times a function. So if you look at this function of x, u times v, where u and v are both separate functions of x. Now, the product rule works like this. The derivative equals u to v to x plus v to plus v du to x plus u to v to x. Or if you use our new notation, vu dash plus uv dash. Okay, let's have a look at it here. Here I've got a function, u, 5x take 2, and v. So I've got a function times a function. So I'm going to use that. I'm going to let u equal 5x take 2, and I'm going to let v equal 3x plus 4. And we're using the product rule. Okay, so the derivative of u with respect to x is 5. The derivative of v with respect to x is 3. And then I'm going to do the derivative of y with respect to x is going to be v times u dash. So 5, 3x plus 4 plus u times, so I'll just put them in this order to make it easier. Now there's my derivative. The next step is to expand and simplify, so that becomes 15x plus 20 plus 15x minus 6, so that gives me 30x plus 14. And that's my derivative with respect to x. Okay. Let's do another one. Here we go. So this time, here's my u. U equals 5x plus 3. V equals x squared take 3x. So I've got a function times a function. Now, u dash equals 5. V dash equals 2x take 3. Now, dy dx, the derivative, 5 outside of x squared take 3x, plus, now I need brackets here, 2x take 3 times 5x plus 3. Let's expand that all out. 5x squared minus 15x plus now 10x squared plus 6x minus 15x minus 9. What does that all give me? 5x squared plus 10x gives me 15x squared minus 15 minus 15 minus 30x and, oh no, try that again, minus 24x. I forgot about, we've got minus 15 plus 6 minus 15, and then we've got minus 9. So I'll just rewrite that. So my answer, 15x squared minus 24x minus 9, and that's the derivative of y with respect to x. Okay, let's keep going. We'll do another one. Now this one's a bit of a trick. There's a few tricks in this one, but let's have a look. So u equals x to the 7, v equals x plus 4 to the 9. So you can see the derivative here is 7x to the 6, but this one, this is a chain rule. So we're going to have to use the chain rule here. That's a function of a function. So v dash is the derivative of the inside function, 1, times the derivative of the outside function. Yeah, so that gives me 9x plus 4 to the 8. Now, let's find the derivative of y with respect to x. So that's going to be 7x to the 6, x plus 4 to the 9, plus all of that, which is going to be 9x to the 7, x plus 4 to the 8. Now that's the derivative. We can take out some common factors here. I've got x to the 6 and x to the 7. So I can take x to the 6 as a common factor. I've got x plus 4 to the power of 9, x plus 4 to the power of 8. So I can take x plus 4 to the power of 8 as a common factor. And what am I left with? I'm left with 7 times x plus 4 plus 9x. Now we can clean that up even more. X plus 4 to the power of 8, and that becomes 7x plus 28 plus 9x. Give ourselves a bit more space. X to the 6, x plus 4 to the 8. 7 plus 9 gives me 16x plus 28. Now, 16, 28, I can take a common factor of 4 out of that. So 4x to the 6, x plus 4 to the power of 8. And I'm left with 4x plus 7 when I take a factor of 4. So just rewrite that. Doesn't really have to be like this, but just to put them in order of power, the brackets, plus 4 to the power of 8. That's the derivative. So we had a product rule, but we had a chain rule inside of the product rule. All good.